Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Before you turn off Face ID, prepare your device and information needed. Make sure you know your device passcode before turning off Face ID. Verify your Apple ID password is available if verification is requested. Ensure your iPhone has at least 20% battery or is plugged in during this process. Close unnecessary apps to avoid interruptions while changing security settings. If you use Face ID for apps, plan alternative authentication methods like a passcode or password. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone to change biometrics. Scroll and tap Face ID and passcode to access biometric options. Enter your device passcode when prompted to unlock Face ID settings. On the next screen, you will see toggles labeled iPhone Unlock and other uses. Use the toggles to disable Face ID for iPhone Unlock and other apps you choose. Each toggle flips instantly and requires your passcode to confirm changes for security reasons. After you disable Face ID, confirm your choice and test unlocking with your passcode. After disabling Face ID, use your passcode for device unlock and purchases when prompted. If you previously used Face ID for Apple Pay, authenticate purchases with your passcode instead. Consider setting up a strong passcode and enabling two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. You can re-enable Face ID anytime by returning to Face ID and passcode and following the setup prompts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.